You've now completed the Introduction to Digital Marketing Strategy course. We've covered the fundamental aspects of marketing, digital marketing strategy, and the digital marketing ecosystem. You've learned about segmentation, targeting, and positioning in the digital age, as well as mapping out the customer journey. You understand the differences between omnichannel and multi-channel marketing and how to optimize digital touchpoints and funnel strategies. You've gained insights into content strategy for digital platforms, SEO, SEM, and organic growth strategies. We've discussed paid media strategy and effective email marketing techniques. You're now equipped to make data-driven decisions and measure success using key performance indicators. By examining Nike's digital strategy, you've seen how theoretical concepts apply to real-world scenarios. Most importantly, you're prepared to stay ahead in the ever-evolving field of digital marketing. Remember, this course is about training you to execute strategic analysis from a broader perspective, not focusing on hands-on tool practices. Thank you for taking this course. Don't forget to apply these insights to your strategic thinking in digital marketing. Stay tuned, stay ahead, and best of luck in your marketing endeavors.